Hello everyone, I am Jack and I'm back. And I am way outside of my knowledge base here, so I am looking for help. So what I have is I have an ancient PC and on it the software for Mach 3 mill, actually Mach 3 software to run a CNC is installed on the PC. I brought it up, ran a test program, and nothing on the mill moved. So all I know, that's it. So I thought I will do some testing. So what I did was I bought this inline tester. It's female on one end, male on the other, and it plugs into the RS-232. I tried to plug it directly into the RS-232 port, but it won't work because the monitor plug is right next to it and this thing is too fat. So that's an issue. So what I have to do is connect it to the end of the cable, and my fear was that something was wrong with the cable, but I can't test it without it and still have a monitor. So I am just working within my limitations. Okay, so what I do is, let me explain to you. When it comes up, a couple lights flash on the indicator, and then they stay on until I launch Mach 3. Once I launch Mach 3, the lights on there go off, and then nothing lights no matter what I click on the Mach 3 software. So let me show you what I've got. Maybe I don't even know what step to take next. I was hoping that from the Mach 3 I could get these little lights on here to light green and red, but that's not happening. So like I said, outside my range. The other thing I got besides that is these connectors right here, that one's male, one's female, and it will allow me to run jumpers or whatever I need to do. Obviously they'd plug into each other, but that doesn't do me a whole lot of good, other than I guess I could swap wires around. Anyway, if you see how I can use that, that would be great. If I need to, maybe I can do what I need to do with the other box. The other thing I got is a whole bunch of LEDs with leads attached. So I'm thinking I could use that and jumper across whatever I need to test. I was just trying to get everything that I thought I might need to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the PC, and then I will show you what happens on the screen as it boots up. So go over here, hit the power button, and Windows is booting up. And then you can see the lights come on the tester. None of this means anything to me, so if you can tell me what any of this means, that would be great. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for Windows to finish booting up, even though I don't think it's required. Okay, I think it's booted up. Again, it's been so long. I mean, this is XP, this is ancient. All right, so from here, I come over here and double click on the icon for the Mach 3 loader. It launches. I want to play with the Mach 3 mill. I don't know what that is. If anyone knows what that is, that would be great. But let's go ahead and click OK. Mach 3 is launching. And now you can see the lights went off on the indicator once Mach 3 launched. I hope I got that on the video, but if not, I can tell you that's what happened. All right, so then I come in here and of course I click on the reset to get Mach 3 to work. It's in emergency mode. All right, and then I come over here to diagnostics. And now you can see These green lights are lit up here. I don't know what each of these are. If I hit the reset, okay, let's see. And so I can use the up and down arrow keys and right and left, and you'll see that it does change the display. Go down, that's the Y position that I'm controlling now. If I hit the right, there's the X position. Don't remember which one does the Z position. I did get the manual and looked at it, but I don't remember. All right, honestly, that's all I know. I was hoping that, see those 4 green lights right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green lights right there. I was hoping something on this unit would light up to correspond to that. I don't know how to get those green lights to change. I don't know how to get into these other green lights to do anything. I am just at a loss. I am getting ready to go off and search on how to do all of this straight from Windows without using Mach 3 and see if the connection is correct with the controller here and get different lights. But in the interim, I wanted to go ahead and send this out and see if anybody knows anything about what I can do from this point to make sure that I'm getting signals to the end of this cable. Right now, to me, it looks like there are no signals going to the end of this cable, which of course means that it's not going to even try to control the mill without some signal being sent. All right, again, that's the limit of what I know. Like, subscribe, hit the alert, hit the thanks if you want to donate, and feel free to give me comments. Thanks. Oh, and if you don't like what I'm doing, you don't know Jack. Bye.